Here I am. I've got my mandolin. The mandolin has 8 strings. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, I count these things up here. They're easier to see than the strings. All right, we're going to sing about a train. This is the New River train. You got to help me. You're going to be the train whistle. And when I do this, I want to hear you go, choo, choo. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Choo, choo. All right. I think you did pretty good. Ready? Goes, I'm riding on the New River train. Choo, choo. I'm riding on the New River train. Choo, choo. The same old train that brought me here is soon gonna carry me away. Choo, choo. All right. Let's go to the park. I like to go to the park. Choo, choo. I like to go to the park. Choo, choo. I go to the park and I play until dark. I like to go to the park. Choo, choo. I'm riding on the New River train. Choo, choo. I'm riding on the New River train. Choo, choo. The same old train that brought me here is soon gonna carry me away. Choo, choo. One more. Same old train that brought me here is soon gonna carry me away. Choo, choo. Choo, choo. All right, good. Good job.